I'm so sad. I'm actually sad. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sisanda. If it's the first time in this channel, welcome to my regular subscribers. I haven't done this in a very long time. I don't even know how to create anymore. I'm actually sad. My tripod just broke. Where you guys are standing, it just broke. I don't know why. I'm from Takealot to come and collect my order for that voucher from my friend. So I'm from takealot. So let me welcome you guys to this vlog. I'm just opening it. I don't know what I'm gonna include in this vlog, so let me just unbox this with you guys. I don't know if you can see me or not. I'm actually sad. My tripod just broke. Oh, it's a as belly. Good December son from my tripod you poke. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm so sad. Let me just open this. Let me just open this box. I don't know how I'm gonna open it. How am I supposed to open this thing? Son, my lens, my tripod just broke. Randomly. I never rough too much. I don't know. So let's see what I got. A takealot. It is so tiny. It's that LED video light. There it is. Hope you can see it. It's so cute. I'll actually test with you guys. I know my lounge is a bit dark, so I will test the video using this so that I can see it's working. So welcome to my new subbies. Welcome. I'm not in the mood, guys. I'm just doing this because my mood just went down. I don't believe I just broke my tripod. Imagine. I'm so sad. Okay guys, this is what I just bought. At takealot. You just clip it in your, I just hope it's a clip on. Ooh. Oh yes, there's a clip thing. I'll just clip on my phone, but I'll test with you guys to test the video. And I also went to Clicks when I was coming from takealot. I just felt like Clicks to buy my 5-year-old toothpaste. Why not a volume? Yes, son. What's it again? Oh, so hot. And these are wipes for my glasses. They're actually good. The thing, that cloth that they gave me in the glasses, it doesn't wipe my glasses very clean. So I prefer to have these so that I can clean my glasses. So I hope it will help someone. These are very good. Okay, see you later. So guys, this is this. Let me go to the bottoms. Okay, it's okay. This light has got 3 settings. Let me show you the first one. This is the first setting. And this is the second setting. And that's the third. Yay! So you guys can see me clearly at night now.
Show you.
Is it showing?
No.
I'm not showing.
Yeah, that's better. That's much better.
Okay. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. Today is Saturday. Don't day, Chum. So it's the 16th year Saturday. We are meeting our friend, the one who stays in Eastern Cape. It's me and my bestie. Hi bestie. Hello. So we're waiting for Uniki and other friends. So it's 5 of us. We're waiting for Uti up for my function and then we meet with her. So let's go guys. Ima so value ngo
Ivuliwe weekend.
Oh, so no nge weekend ke son.
1. I think before 1. Ifree ke xa Saturday bayigqibetha ngo-1 ukuyenza. Kodwa the akanecala restaurant.
I-on, say on. Uthi, walikhwaza apha. Ujami. Yasana, awusenhle friend. Dithi akamkhulu uThamara. Ayini. Hayi friend. Ila moto ayisende. Ndibona uGP ongapha ndinoba yile ya. Ayisende. That's why we sit. Nazi itshomi zami.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all
Okay, my channel. I sent a view. Akusekuhle. Yazi ngesifotho ngayo silibele kaloku asiqhelanga uhlala no-tea apho. Okay, welcome to my room. Andisaxoka iroom yam. Tada! Ilight iphi? Akusekuhle sana kwathi. Akusekuhle kwathi xa ungena sana there's a kitchen. Ayise cute. Indlu kaTshomi sana. Ibhedi lena. I'm sure kukho i-view nice ke sana pha. Study area ne-TV. Let me see i-view sana. Ooh, look at that. I sent. I-view kaTshomi ke le ke sana xa evuka. Sana. Nanku ke uTshomi wale flats. Ugirl uzozimamela. Ho akukuhle friend. Kuvele ne-Table Mountain sana. Hayi yabonakala zizojolela ezi ndawo. Zezojolela sana nebed nice. This is a bathroom, son. Ah, diffuser qha iyaphela. It's so cute. There's a shower, and then there's me.
10 to 7.
I said, sana chomi. update ke sana siyamshiya ugirl kwi-flat yakhe. So yeah, it was nice. Yo, uhlala ne-friend yam sana. Uchomi sizambona nini? Sambona next year. Akukuhle apha i-view. Yo, iyatsho sana. Iyapopa. I-view. Iyahuza. So let's go, guys. Bye.